Alright guys, Sinister RC Dad coming at you. Look where we're at. We are on the beach. My video just froze for a second there. The sun's not quite up yet, but there's a lot of cloud cover, so I don't know when I'm going to be able to see up there of the sun rise. So let's just take her up, get her stable, and see what we can do. Say hi guys. Jack's out there because he's seen this before. Alrighty, let's get her up in the air. We got 16 satellites. We're good to go. Stay clear, guys. Back up. Alright, let her stabilize for a second here. There is about a 8 to 10 mile an hour breeze here right off the ocean. She seemed to be more stable the higher I got here. Sun's over that way, so we'll see. All right. Ooh. Hey, Connor. Look at that. Gulf of Mexico.
The highest you've ever done the day I was with you at the
Yeah, but we're not going to go near that high today because
Is it back?
all right. Let's see. Let's go out over the ocean a little bit. This is what I came here to do. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Flying right over the ocean. Not gonna go too far though. Bring her around. Lots of seagulls out here. Hope they don't mess with the drone. Well, there's the sun coming up. And it's covered by that cloud. So let's just cruise down the beach here for a bit. Connor, watch. See it? Hey, watch. Watch. There we go. Just cruising right down that beach, zipping along.
We want to go swim. We should have brought our swim clothes. It's too early to swim.
There's your zip.
Why aren't the lights on anymore?
The lights are on. It's just pitched down. You can't see it. I'm full throttle forward.
It's not going that fast.
That's pretty fast.
It looks like it's going slow, but it's actually going fast. Let's go scare the seagulls. Let's do it. Let's do it again.
They're just running around everywhere. You can see them down at your bottom left middle screen. Beautiful morning, man. Beautiful. The sun peeking through the clouds there a little bit. Let's bring her overhead. I'll go a little bit higher here. we've got 100 meters right here. That's pretty high. Voice took off over there, so I'm gonna buzz him with the drone. Alright, let's go get him. Kind of low though. They're 113 meters away from me. They haven't noticed that I'm following them here. They're still looking for crabs from last night. Here I am. Alright, let's see that sunset or sunrise. Back out of the ocean for a second. Whoa. Camera turned a weird color there. Wonder what's up with that. Interesting. Yeah, and clouds are right in the way. Okay, now we're in LVC. Okay, hang on. I gotta land. Give me a second, guys. Yeah. Oh, not bad. First time over the ocean with it.
You done?
Yeah, it's beeping.
Do you not have the other battery?
I do, but I didn't charge it last night after we got back in from crab hunting.
Daddy, can we go in the ocean?
Not right now.
Huh?
Not right now. Okay. Corman, back up. No, no, no. Back up. You guys, back up. Try and set her down right on this boogie board. Kind of. Alright. Alright, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't know why my camera's pretty funny colored, but hey. Alright. Thanks for watching.